Hey there, and welcome to our patio. I'm Casey, and this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we're combining the best flavors of summer and fall in this tasty salad.
Yes, we are making a grilled salmon harvest salad with a lemon Dijon vinaigrette.
Good job. That was a mouthful.
So good. I'm so excited for
This is a really
salad.
good one, yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get started with our salmon. So really this is the star of our show in this salad today. So we've got a couple salmon fillets here, and I'm just gonna drizzle each one with just a little bit of olive oil. And then we're gonna add on a little bit of salt and pepper. And the beautiful thing about salmon is that it has such a great flavor on its own.
Yes.
We don't really need to add too much to it, especially when you grill it.
Right. It brings out so many great flavors, and it's super simple to do as well.
Yes, so it's only 10 minutes on the grill, which is super nice. So our grill has been preheating, so it's nice and hot. And we are gonna add these to our grill. We are putting the skin side down first. There we go. Nice sizzle
Love
there.
that sizzle.
And these will cook skin side down for about 6 minutes. And then after 6 minutes, we will flip. And then it'll cook flesh side down for just 4 minutes.
All right. So while those are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make our dressing over here. So as Lauren said, we're doing a lemon Dijon vinaigrette. So we're starting with some olive oil. I'm going to add lemon juice.
I love making my own salad dressing. It really is one of the easiest things.
It really is. You were saying the proportions, a little bit of oil, a little bit of acid.
Then everything else just extra.
Add-ins, yeah. So for our add-ins, we're doing garlic. We're doing about a teaspoon, oopsie, there's our teaspoon, of Dijon mustard. And a little bit of honey for sweetness, along with salt and pepper. And the great thing too about making your own salad dressing is you can really customize it, of course. So if you like it a little bit more tart, go a little heavier on the lemon juice. If you want a little more sweet, add more honey. Really, however you would like it, you can make it. And this is a great dressing too for other salads, not just this one.
And it's very light, which is nice, especially when we get to our salad, we're adding lots of really hearty ingredients, so a nice light dressing is perfect.
Right, they complement each other well.
So we'll let the salmon continue cooking, and then we will come back and we will assemble our salad. All right, let's take a peek at the salmon. Ooh, it looks great.
Yes.
It's definitely done. So I'm gonna close this so we can keep it warm, assemble our salad.
Awesome. So to start with that, we are going to have some kale for part of our base.
So we've got two dark leafy greens that we're adding today. Delicious.
Along with spinach.
And
Just
if you
baby spinach.
don't like kale, just do spinach, vice versa.
Yep, totally customizable. Next, we're going to add some roasted sweet potatoes. So we've just taken sweet potato chunks from our produce department that are already cut and prepared so that we didn't have to cut a sweet potato.
Shortcut.
Shortcut. You can certainly cut your own sweet potato, but just a little time-saving trick. And then we're also going to add some farro, which is a whole grain. It's a little bit like rice. It has a really chewy texture and kind of like a nutty flavor.
Kind of like wheat berries.
Yes.
That's what they remind me of.
Yeah, that's a great comparison. So they do come from the wheat family, so they're not gluten-free, but just another fun grain alternative and a really fun thing to add to a salad as well.
Yes, it adds just some more texture to it.
Yes.
Speaking of texture, we're gonna add some crunch with pepitas or pumpkin seeds.
Yum.
Also adding in some dried cherries. These are unsweetened, which I really like because they're a little bit more tart.
Yes, I love
But
that
you could
flavor.
substitute with raisins or dried cranberries too. And then some feta cheese, a little tang.
Yes, and with that one you could certainly substitute with Parmesan cheese. You can do goat cheese. You could leave the cheese out.
Yes,
whatever
for
you'd
sure.
like.
And then we'll add that awesome dressing that Casey made earlier.
Yum.
And give that a toss.
All right.
Give these to you.
Yep. Oh my
Ooh,
gosh.
that looks so good.
Yes. Already, even just the smells of that lemon in the dressing, along with the cherries and feta.
Oh my gosh.
I'm loving this.
Yes. Do you want me to finish doing this and you can grab
Sure,
our
perfect.
plate? Just give these a couple more tosses just to make sure everything is well incorporated. All right, I'll let you serve us. I'm
right.
gonna grab our salmon.
Yep. So I'll get this base going here.
Yum. Oh my gosh, it
you
smells
go.
so good.
Yes.
Just taking a salmon fillet and adding it to our salad. Thank you.
Oh, how pretty does that look?
Doesn't that look good?
Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Like the salmon is just gonna be the icing on the cake.
So
for this
delicious.
salad. Get a little sweet potato. Ooh.
That dressing.
That dressing is so good.
But I love all the different textures in here too. Definitely a very filling salad.
Yes, yes, and like all the great flavors. I love that we're using the grill, but like still kind of a fall aesthetic, if you will.
For sure. Love it.
We'll keep the grill out just a little longer to make this harvest salad.
And to get this recipe on your phone, text SALMON to 78402.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.